Well, welcome to Dry Fork Station. It's an exciting day for us. We've been coordinating with Scott and Fred for quite a while, and this has been a pretty exciting day coming on, and they have a lot of information they're going to share with the group.
Wyoming CarbonSAFE is focused on investigating the feasibility and practical, secure, permanent geologic storage of carbon dioxide emissions at a coal-fired facility near Gillette, Wyoming.
So that fourth section of hole starts at about 7,600 feet, and our anticipated bottom hole for this well is going to be set to about 10,000.
Their thought is the same as mine, is how are we going to do that? And if we're going to do that, how do we do that? And so they, literally, the people here at Dry Fork have been on the leading edge of the world, in my opinion, on what they have done, trying to clean up coal even more so than what they've already done.
I'm very familiar with the CarbonSAFE project, but for me, I want to make sure that other people know that they have support of our community, the people, the leaders in our community, and so I think that's why a lot of times you'll see county commissioners, city council members, certainly legislators here, to let people know, not just around the region but around the world, that we're all in on this thing.
So this is a little core we've retained. This is from the Lakota Formation. It's Albion in age, which means it's about 110 million years old, give or take. It would have been an old riverbed.
Wyoming is just one of those places where you can get projects done.
And so if we can find a way to take that CO2 conversation and change it, and utilize that CO2 in a different way, or store it in a different way, I think that really changes the narrative, not only in the United States but around the world. So I think that's exciting for everybody.
And it's really neat that Gillette is the focus, and that these men, this staff here at Dry Fork are leading the world.
What we're really doing is we're trying to find a storage tank that's large enough. We want to make sure if we put it in that storage tank in the subsurface, it'll stay there permanently, securely, and safely.